Hey everyone, welcome back to ByGLG English. Today I'm excited to share with you my latest discovery, the perfect smartphone for me, the POCO F5. In this video, we'll go over its amazing features, including its AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, 5000 mAh battery, and much more. So without further ado, let's dive in. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the POCO F5 smartphone, a silicone case, a 67W USB charger, and a USB to USB-C cable. The phone itself measures 161x74, 95x7, 9mm, and weighs 181 grams. It's available in 3 colors, white, black, and blue. Display. The POCO F5 features a stunning 6.67-inch FHD plus Flow AMOLED display with a 2400x1800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and has a brightness of up to 1000 nits in direct sunlight. Front camera. The front camera boasts a 16MP f2.45 lens. I tested it with 2 selfies using 2 different focus settings, portrait mode, maximum and minimum crazy portrait mode, and even shot a video. Buttons and ports. On the left side of the phone, there's nothing. On the right side, you'll find volume plus / buttons and a Touch ID on-off button. At the top, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IR blaster, and a speaker. The bottom has a slot for 2 nano SIM cards, a USB-C port, and another speaker. This dual-speaker setup provides stereo sound when in landscape mode. Rear cameras. On the back, there are 3 cameras, a 64MP main sensor, an 8MP wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro lens. I tested these with various photos and videos in different modes and settings, including normal wide-angle zoom, 64MP mode, portrait mode, and macro shots of my coffee and phone case. Video capabilities. The POCO F5 can shoot 4K video with both EIS and OIS stabilization. I tested this with normal wide-angle and max zoom videos, as well as one with stabilization activated. Battery and charging. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 67W fast charging, making it perfect for long days and heavy usage. Processor and performance. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor engraved at 4nm, the POCO F5 scored an impressive 922,580 points on Antutu. It also features Liquid Cool Tech 2.0 for optimal cooling during intensive tasks. Memory. You can choose between 2 memory configurations, 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM or 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. There's also dynamic RAM extension, allowing you to add up to 3.5 or 7GB of virtual RAM by using the ROM. Software. The POCO F5 runs on Android 13 with MIUI 14 and handles gaming, like Real Racing 3, without any issues. Connectivity. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi ABNAC and AX, and NFC 7, but does not have a radio. The GPS is incredibly fast with a wide fix in just 2.95 seconds and a second fix in 2.34 seconds. IP53 rating. The POCO F5 also comes with an IP53 rating, meaning it's protected against limited dust infiltration and water splashes at angles less than 60 degrees from vertical. This ensures your device is safe from everyday accidents and light rain. Conclusion. To sum up, the POCO F5 is the perfect smartphone for me, featuring a beautiful AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging, a powerful and energy-efficient Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, ample memory, the latest Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC standards, and an impressive 64MP camera with EIS and OIS video capabilities. It truly meets all my expectations for a smartphone. Price and link. To find out the price of the POCO F5, click the link in the video description below. Don't miss out on this incredible device. That's it for today's review of the POCO F5. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ByGLG English for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.